Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a traditional French nail using acrylic. If you don't know what I mean, you need to keep watching. We have the fabulous Annette and look at her natural nail. It's very nice natural nail. We're going to do this the traditional way. This French nail, we're going to do it the traditional way. If you don't know what that means, it means we are going to create the free edge first. So we're not going to do the reverse application. Those of you that have watched a lot of videos of mine generally do the reverse application for a French style nail. I was going to say name then. And so like we know, so up here. Oh, here. You know, that's all I can do when I do French.
That's the only French name I can think of there.
Can you remember any French from school?
Tiny bits.
Go on.
No.
I can only remember Le Banc and Le Piscine because they sound rude. So we're going to do the free edge first. We're not going to create the nail bed first. We are going to do the free edge. This is totally different. Some people find it easy, some people find it hard. It's a nice skill to try. I will need Mega White and we're going to use Glass Rose. Maybe a bit of clear. I don't know if we'll need it then. I'll have him out just in case. I've already removed the surface shine from this nail. I have pushed the cuticles back as well. We do have a video all about preparation of the nail, so you can check that out if you need to. I'm going to dehydrate the nail and then I will apply the primer. The dehydrator will suck the living life out of that nail. It won't. It's just going to dehydrate it, take away the oils. And then we're going to do one coat of primer. I'm going to use Max Adhesion liquid in my little dampen dish. I just warn you, I haven't done this for many years. I may be a little bit out of practice. So this is a little challenge to myself. Can I still do the traditional / old-fashioned way of doing a French acrylic nail?
I've never seen you do this.
I know, we've never done it on camera.
No,
we've never done it for the channel.
No.
Ever. Okay, so you're going to get your bead. You've got to be really happy with your bead before you put it on. Place it on. Take it from one side to the other. And then you're going to come this way and sweep into it to create your smile.
What's the advantages of doing this?
Now, some people like the free edge to set up before they go on to do the nail bed. That makes sense? Because this will start to set before this part.
You mean so it all sets at the same time?
Yes,
yeah,
because
of the heat.
Yes.
Okay.
See, you're with me, aren't you?
So you can only really do this on like you know, you can't really extend it. I suppose you could if you had
You
if
can,
you had a
but
tip or a
yeah, you can extend. I mean, you can do this on a sculpting form. You can do this on a tip.
Yeah, but not on a natural. You couldn't extend. Not very much.
You couldn't extend the nail bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, extending the nail bed is very difficult to do it this way. And that is the big advantage with doing it the reverse application method. With this way, you can see your smile line instantly though. Whereas if you do it the reverse way, you can't see it as clear. So it's all about sweeping out. This way is also easier to do these little ears at the top. You can add into them, where if you've already done the nail bed, you'll have nowhere to add it to. So you can adjust the smile line a little bit easier this way. I do prefer reverse application, but I just find it a little bit easier. But some people prefer it this way. And then if you wanted to add the half moon, you could always add that in now as well. I find this bit easy. This bit is easy now. So you've got your smile line done. And then what we're going to do is use the glass rose. Pick up a nice big bead. Straight on. Get your cuticle area sorted.
Sort of gives it like a well to sit in, doesn't it?
Yeah, you just drag it on like that, and this bit just makes everything very easy. Just sits into that gap. And this is something that a lot of people still do as well. It'd be nice to see people have a go at doing it if they've never done it before as well. So the heat from the finger and this nail bed here will start to react with the acrylic and make it set quicker, whereas at the free edge isn't on the finger as such. It's not where the heat is. You know, this free edge here isn't close to heat, so it sets slower. But this part will set quicker. So in theory, they all set together. I am going to pop a pinching tool on. So we're going to file this. Normal filing routine. It's really important to have a filing routine. It makes every nail look the same, and it also speeds up the time as well. So side walls, cuticle area. Once you've done the cuticle area, you're going to do the free edge and then contour the nail. Can you see the difference between the white? So as I file this now, you want the white and the pink to meet perfectly. So as I'm filing it, I'm taking any of the glass rose off the white, and that's the look that you want to get. You want it to all be really bright white at the end. So any of the glass rose that you put on, that needs to be filed off. It's only a small amount. The disadvantage with doing it this way is, I'll show you a little bit closer when I actually finish the nail once I put the top coat on, but you will get a slight amount of shadowing from the pink rose. And you'd even get a little bit of that from the clear if you use clear, because you haven't got like this brick wall. Whereas if we do the reverse application, we create a brick wall with the smile line, and then we butt everything straight up to it so it's really crisp. You don't kind of get that look doing it the traditional way. It's still nice. I like it. I'm going to buff over this nail now just to smooth it out even more. Now I'm going to wipe over with acetone, and then I'm going to seal this with the Urban Graffiti top coat. So this nail has been done. On a previous video, we've done a moon and everything like that, but just have a look at the difference between this smile line, that's reverse application, and the traditional smile line. Which one do you think's nicest? Yeah, I prefer that, don't you? I think you can. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. It's nice. If I was being extremely picky, I would pick reverse application. But there's nothing wrong with that nail. What I'm going to do is finish it with some cuticle oil and give it a rub. Massage that in. And there you are. That's how to do a traditional French acrylic overlaid nail. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and also the products I've used, these new products I've used as well, they'll be listed below as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. And this is how we used to do nails when I was a young lass. We don't even say lass, do we? I've had that off here, Manta. Yes. When I was a young girl.
At least I know some of this, like, it's reciprocal.
Yeah.
Because I say duck now and again now. And it starts to really me off. And Luke.
I hate the word duck.
Duck. Luke and
Why
duck.
do you? How can you hate it when it's like you should nurture that word. And
No, it
you
makes
should.
me cringe.
It's a beautiful word. It's a beautiful Stokie word.
It tastes nice.
It
That's
represents
about it.
us. It represents us
Oh, it doesn't.
as a city.
Makes us sound